The next topic in the chapter polymer are free radical mechanism of addition polymerization. Now let us discuss what are the subheadings are there in this topic. We'll be going to discuss what are free radicals and the three steps: chain initiation step, propagation step and termination step. What is free radical? Free radicals are formed due to the homolytic fission of a covalent bond. Example for this is 3-degree butyl radical. This we have already discussed last year, that free radicals are formed by the homolytic fission of a covalent bond. Here the dot represents an unpaired electron, and all together we can call it as a radical. Let us discuss the first step, that is chain initiation step. Here the cleavage of a initiator forms a free radical. Let us take one example of free radical here. By the formation, free radical formation from a initiator, that is benzyl peroxide here. It undergoes homolytic fission. The two oxygen which is there at the center, this is called as peroxide linkage. When that bond undergoes homolytic fission, there will be formation of free radical. That is, phenyl free radical is formed and carbon dioxide is formed. From this, the phenyl free radical combines with ethene molecule, one of the ethene molecule. It results in the formation of a free radical. Again, free radical is formed, but this free radical will be quite larger than the first free radical. So here the addition of phenyl free radical with a double bonded ethene to form larger free radical. So here there is an initiation, therefore it is called as chain initiation step. Now let us discuss the next step, that is chain propagation step. Here the larger free radical which is formed in the first step, it combines with another molecule of ethene. So this is the free radical which is formed in the first step, combines with the second molecule of ethene, because already one ethene is combined in the free radical, free phenyl radical. So one more molecule get combined to form larger, again a larger free radical is formed. In the previous structure, so in this process, the size of the chain is increased by the addition of the ethene molecule one by one. So we can say the number of carbon in the chain, it get increases due to the addition of ethene molecules, and it forms higher and higher size free radicals are formed. So this step is called as a chain propagation step. Now let us discuss the next step, that is chain termination step. Chain termination step means there is a termination here due to the combination of two higher free radicals. At some stage, the product radical thus formed react with another radical to form polymerized product. This is a higher free radical which is formed during the propagation step, and the two higher free radicals get combined to form a polymerized product. Thus the process is terminated here. That's why this process is called as chain termination step. Now we'll discuss the details of this in the form of writing here. Now let us discuss the steps. Here I am writing, but it will be writing on the pad, that's why it will not be clear. Let us try to understand here. So in the first step, let the initiator, I am writing the initiator as in dot plus the first molecule of ethene, CH2 double bond CH2. Now the initiator plus the ethene molecule, it combines to form a larger free radical. Now that is a chain initiation step. Now in the chain initiation step, initiator get combined with the ethene to form a larger free radical. Now this larger free radical, which is formed again combines with the another molecule of ethene. Take another molecule of ethene to form again higher stressed free radicals are formed. Again higher free radicals are formed. So this is called as a chain propagation step. Here the size of the chain is increased. Now last is the chain termination step. In the chain termination step, the higher free radical formed combine with each other. This is the higher free radical. I am writing the zigzag line which shows that so many number of carbons are there. It combines to form polymerized product, that is CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 dot. So hope you understood, but here writing is not proper. Okay, so these are the steps. Now homework for you. Explain the free radical mechanism for the formation of polyvinyl chloride. Today we have discussed the mechanism for ethene molecule, polyethene, formation of polyethene. You need to write the mechanism for polyvinyl chloride. Thank you everyone.